Capital expenditures, or capital improvements, sometimes referred to as CapEx, are non-recurring investments into a property or other fixed asset. Capital expenditures increase the value or the useful life of a property, as opposed to repairs, which are typically recurring items that maintain the current condition of a property. From an accounting standpoint, a capital expenditure is typically amortized or depreciated over the useful life of the asset, as opposed to a repair, which is included in the operating expenses in the current year. Some examples of capital expenditures would be a new building, a new roof, or a new heating and cooling system. In contrast, smaller, more recurring items such as painting walls, fixing sinks and toilets, or replacing electrical outlets would be considered repairs and maintenance items, not capital expenditures.